Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Alfredo sauce with heavy cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh heavy cream, good quality Parmesan cheese, and unsalted butter. Using high-quality ingredients truly makes a difference in the final taste and texture of your sauce. Also, ensure everything is at room temperature for smooth blending. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by melting about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Do not boil. Next, gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring continuously until the sauce is smooth and slightly thickened. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making this delicious sauce. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To perfect your Alfredo, season it with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for depth. This enhances the flavor beautifully. Once your pasta is cooked al dente, drain it and immediately toss it directly into the warm sauce. This helps the pasta absorb the creamy goodness. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh parsley or more Parmesan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.